My name is Hicham Hachicho, Operations Manager at Unigaz International. Unigaz International is operating in 14 countries, and we do trading for gas in more than 16 countries. We do gas import, gas distribution, storage facility, installation and operation and service and operation and delivery for all our customers. The exhibition was very important for me. I got a chance to meet a lot of key important partners like Cryostar, Chart, GTT, Lindy, and I got a chance to meet their business development manager and their directors, and we hope that we will develop works together between Unigaz and these key partners. This is the first time that I attend an event made by BGS. It was exceptional. They take into consideration all the logisticals and very well organized, and the team spirit that you can see how they are working with the participant and delegates and the sponsor. It was a very interesting moment, and I wish all the best to BGS.